Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off iPhone without touching the screen. So let's jump right into it. First, we'll start with a specific button sequence. Quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the power button on the side. Let's go over that again. Press volume up, volume down, and then hold down the power button. Let's do this together. Press volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. Keep holding it until your screen displays the power off slider. Don't let go just yet. Continue holding the power button until the screen goes black, which means the phone has completely powered off. If you're still facing issues with the touchscreen and can't follow the button sequence, one option is to let the battery drain. Leave it on, and over time it will naturally power down as the battery dies. That's how you turn off iPhone without touching the screen. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.